on those strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just having a little staging session. What do y'all do to cleanse your body? I just want to know. I'm trying to find good lighting, so I'm out here. Let me show y'all the full me. Just a little glimpse of me. Here I am. Okay, that's enough. I already know y'all out there, y'all heathens. You know who I'm talking to. Anyway, so I'm just here, doing what I do. I'm doing this. I'm just here, having a little, time with God. I got my dragon sage. I don't know if you can see it. I got my little torch light, so I'm ready. You feel me? I'm always ready. I just got this pepper spray. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's pink and it's people so nosy. See, that's why y'all see me doing random videos. That's why sometimes you see me doing videos. It smells so good. See me doing videos and I have the same outfit on because I just knock 1, 2, 3 videos out the same day. But anyway, because people always trying to follow behind me. Look at this tree. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at this lighting. So I just want to, I'm usually talking positive things. Anyway, it's motivational. I'll say spiritual stuff. So let's talk about positive stuff. How you know when your life is going in the right directions? How do you know? How do you know? You ever ask yourself? You ever ask yourself these questions that I ask all the time? I know a lot of y'all resonate with me because I speak the truth and I talk, what a lot of people don't want to say because a lot of people are basically fake and phony. So let's talk about this. How do you know when it's working out in your favor, when everything is working out? You know how? You got to cleanse your crystals. Don't forget, I got that smudging, clearing, cleansing your crystals, everything. So how do you know? This is how you know. You don't worry. You don't stress. It's peaceful. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like you could just breathe. Like when you're driving and you notice like 2 birds kissing or something, or you driving and you notice old people holding hands, or you notice some random thing, or you just sit back and just live, like breathe, you know what I'm saying? That's how you notice. You just basically it's like, it's beautiful, like it's bliss. That's how you know. Once you in bliss, that's how you know. And like, this is, let me show you where I come out. So I come outside. This is where I'm talking to you at. I can't really show y'all, but this, see? So you know the lake, the trees. This is where I'm at, see? I'm always around Mother Nature. So I'm always in it. That's why you see trees behind me and all this and that, because that's how I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you in Mother Gaia. I don't even say Mother Nature, Mother Gaia, because that's not the real. They program us so much with all these fake words that it's crazy. I know they feel disrespected. Our ancestors, when we talk this boobly bobbly mumbo jumbo, they be like, who? What is she saying? Anyway, my child is lost. That's what they probably saying. But so I was having a conversation with one of my good close soul sisters this morning, all the way last night to this morning. When we start talking. So I basically, as a child, I used to talk to the spirits. Like they used to follow me and they used to haunt me because my foster mother, she lived in a haunted place because she had a lot of demons. So I connected spirits with demons, but they're not the same. Let's get that clear. They teach you that spirits and ghosts are evil, but they're not. Like, all of them are not. Because every person is not evil, right? So you don't die evil. How can you be evil if you was a good person? Like, come on. So, but I connected that to it because that's basically, what it was, like what people said. But now she was telling me, like, because Kali Ma, that's my guardian angel, and she's the protector of the underworld, right? The gatekeeper. So because that's basically my god mommy, how can I not be one with these demons? How can I not feel comfortable around these entities? That's why they attracted me. That's why they attracted, because they basically they have a comfort, and the comfort I was always thinking was negative. But it's funny because they basically my friends now. You feel me? Like, they my best friends because they don't F with me. That's basically what I'm trying to tell you. They come at me because they try to test me. I'm doing my feet. They try to test me, but it don't work. You know what I'm saying? So basically, you have to, you like your gifts, they teach you to be scared of them and not connect with them. And you know why? Because they don't want you to be strong. So they basically tell you all these things and tell you to do all this stuff because they don't want you to remember who you are. Since they program you, it's like, why wouldn't you do what they say? Why wouldn't you forget to do this? Why wouldn't you be scared? Why wouldn't you live in fear, live in poverty? Why wouldn't you not be great? Why wouldn't you continue your nasty, what do they call it? You know, the bondages. Why wouldn't you do it? Like, it's basically, that's basically, they tell you, like, it's a program. So you have to get out of that program. That's why they say you have to reprogram your subconscious mind, obviously. But a lot of people don't want to do that, and that's also called healing. So when you heal yourself and you realize and wake up to who you are, that's how you understand that this world is really a game. It's really a three-dimensional like game. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's like you have to paradigm shift. So once you paradigm shift, then you are where you need to be, because you know that you control your destiny, you control your life. You could tap into anything. You could change your DNA. If you want to have a baby, you can. If you want to have whatever you want, you can have it. And that's why they tell you whatever you want, you can have. And it's so crazy that we are so programmed to realize that we can't. But this is how you know. So you know when you are happy all the time for no reason, or you just start smiling, or you go for a job, you get it, then you get a promotion, or you go for a job, you don't get it, but then you get something better. That's how you know that the universe is listening to you. They're listening. They're always listening. Like my other soul sister, we went to the store yesterday, and hey girl, hey. So I basically had to step in and let her know, like, you're not gonna be disrespected. Somebody in the pharmacy was talking to her sideways, and I had to go there and say hello, like, I'm her advocate. She lives here, and I'm her representative. And she called you yesterday at 9:30. Don't you open at 9 o'clock? Hello, I'm confused. And she was spoken to very rudely, and all she needs is her medication because she has certain issues that she needs addressed today. So she said, you know what she said? Here's what she said. Oh, I'm sorry. What medication is it? What's her date of birth? Okay, I have it ready in 10 minutes. And that's all that's needed. My thing is, she didn't have that much faith, but once God steps in, there ain't nothing nobody could say. There ain't nothing nobody could say. Because let me tell you, I didn't even know what I was going to say, but I knew we was going to get the medications. That's what I knew. I knew it. And once you know, that's when you know you connected to God. That's when you know you have a relationship with God. When you know, not when you thinking, not when you hoping, not when you praying, not when you, listen, let me tell you something. When you pray one time. Don't stop all that. You pray one time, because that's needy. You being needy at this point. If you keep praying for the same thing, like me, I had to stop praying all the time. Like when I was manifesting my car, let's say, I was like, you know what? I already got my car. I got a white car. I didn't even know what kind of car it was going to be. I was like, I got a white car, and I was like, I love my white car. I love washing it every day. And because, you know, I got OCD. I love cleaning it. I love, you know, being anal, cleaning all my car, cleaning this, driving my car. I love being comfortable. I love not having to, you know, I haven't gotten on a bus in 4 years. I don't even know. Four or 5 years. Something like that. I'm not getting on the bus. Nobody gonna make me get on the bus. The only bus I might get on is like a Greyhound bus, and even so, it's gonna be some kind of first class, nice, fancy bus. It's not. I'm not even getting on the bus. I'll tell you right now, I'm not getting on the bus. I'm not getting on the bus, cause I'm not, and that's why. I know I'm not getting on the bus, because I will never have to get on the bus, because I told myself that, and I'm not going to settle to get on the bus. If I have to go someplace that I don't want to drive and use my gas, I'm going to use a Lyft, and I'm going to use the XL Lyft that I always use, the luxury, yes, and I'm going to go in a Tesla. Yes, honey, that's what I'm going to do. Now, look at these deers. Look at them. Can y'all see them? Look at them, just galloping along. Look at these deers. Can y'all see them? Look at them. Okay. Yes, they just came out to say hi. Hey guys, look at the family. Look at that. They done came to see me and my family. Hey. So that's how you know. You just have to know. That's how you know when the universe is working for you, or when God or Allah or whoever you call, whoever you pray to, whoever, anyone, right? Pray to your higher self. Some people pray to themselves because, thank you. So do what you need to do. But that's how you know when everything is going good. You know that you are aligned with your higher self. That's how you know you're aligned. So just keep on scripting, keep on manifesting, guys. Keep on living a life of your dream, creating a life of your destiny, changing your life, rewriting your destiny, because only you could change it, nobody else. Not your children, not your mother, your father, your cousin, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your neighbor, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your baby daddy, your baby mother, your ex-wife, your ex-husband, not the dog, not the psychic on the phone, not the witch doctor, not the whoever, not the voodoo priestess, not the all this nonsense. Oh God, yo, I be having people in my comments talking about they the high priestess and they can help me and I need to WhatsApp them. Like, sit down somewhere with your evilness. Like, foolishness. You're foolish. You can't help nobody. Help yourself. And don't fall for that stuff, people. Don't fall for that. People not gonna want. Listen, you can help yourself. Don't fall for these things and these people in Africa and wherever they at, Haiti and all these crazy places, because they will put a hex on you. And they will get all your information. They will get you. That's how they get a soul tie. So stop believing in all that stuff. This is not real. It's not. They just gonna use you because you weak-minded and they know it. Because who would go to somebody that they don't know in another country and ask them for help and tell them their business? Come on. You told them your business. That's how they could tell you your business, because you told them. Duh. Tap in. Like, let's tap in. I can't. This thing is so funny. But anyway, guys, be blessed. Be the reason someone smiles today. Have a great weekend. Happy holidays. If you celebrate it or not, happy holidays. You know, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Okay, I had to zip up this coat. Okay, so I wouldn't tell you. I forgot to tell you this. So in this season, how you know that you basically established and God has prepared the table for you is because everything is already ready for you. Everything that you prayed for, everything you wish for, everything you wanted, everything you hoped for, dreamed for, everything. The love that you didn't get. I was washing my truck. The love that you didn't get, the protection you didn't get, the money you didn't get, the safety you didn't get, the everything, the friendships you didn't get, the awareness you didn't have, the enlightenment you didn't have, you know what I'm saying? All the good energy, all the good vibrations, all the opportunities, the job, the career, the mindset, everything. That's how you know. That's how you know that you have arrived, baby. You've arrived. Okay, take it from me, because I have arrived. This is what it looks like. Ooh, honey, don't it look good? Wait, I'm not even a good winker. Yes, don't it look good? Yes, it does. I'm gonna answer my own question.